Hello guys and welcome back. My name is Kazım Memoridi and in this video I'm planning to teach you about anonymous functions. What exactly are anonymous functions in the Dart? Actually, sometimes we do not need name for our functions. We have used function in the past if you have remembered. When we use for each, we are using anonymous functions. Sometimes you do not need to specify name for a function. For example, let me create a variable. For example, var qubit or maybe add. Okay, it take two parameter first into a and then into b, and what it do it return um, a plus b, and we can use it directly over here if I use add and then 5 plus 4 6 and use it to return. If I run this code, what has happened? Sorry, I forgot to add semicolon at the end of it. If I run this code, you will see that result would be shown as 11, which means that which it does work. So we have used anonymous functions. Anonymous functions are exactly do the same work as a normal functions, but they don't have a name for it, so we do not need to use the name, and because of that it doesn't follow the same rule as before, but they do exactly the same stuff as the regular functions. Let me also teach you about the arrow function. What exactly are arrows functions? Sometimes we want to create a function. For example, let me create a function called guess age, which take into example year. Okay, and result would be like this: return a year for 223 less minus year, and as result would be, let me just change it to an int, and when we want to use arrow function over here, we can directly simplify these functions by using a equal sign and an arrow function. And if I call this over the main code, you'll see, for example, 20 if I was born in 2000 year, you'll see that if I run this code, let's so if I print this code and surrounded with the parentheses, you will see that the result 23 would be shown over here. So we have learned about anonymous function and arrow function over here. I think that's enough for functions. If you like my videos, please consider leaving a like to this video, and if you encourage any problems, please consider uh, writing a comment below this video. If you want to watch more of these videos, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and please share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching and happy coding.